Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to turn off Street View in Google Maps. This is very important but simple. Sometimes you need to turn off Street View on your Google Map, but if you don't know how it can do, then let's follow me. First open Google Maps, then tap on this button. This is located on the upper side of the screen. Now under the map details tab, you can see street view icon. This is here. If this is on, now turn it off. See here, this is turned off. Now turn off street view on your Google Maps. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos like this. Thank you.